In this video we're assembling a mobile scaffold up to a height of approximately 2 meters. First we insert casters into the base frames and secure them to the frame leg and secure the brakes. We install diagonal braces to stabilize the base frame. We check the level of the horizontal braces to make sure that everything's straight. We install a second set of base frames and we install the hatch deck. We check that the structure is firm, that the wing nuts are bolted and the caster braces are locked into place. To disassemble, we reverse the assembly process and start from the top. We don't drop any parts to the ground, we lower them really carefully.